Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with steps 39 to 71 in assignment 2 of the second module, especially importing your shapefile into your geodatabase, this video might be helpful for you. I'm going to guide you through the process step by step to get you back on track. So the first thing we have to do is download our data files. And what we see after we download it is a zip folder. Your first step is to extract your zip folder. And once you extracted your files, you see two folders called streams and contours. You want to open each and make sure your shapefiles are there. They're all here. I can minimize my folders and go back to ArcGIS Pro. So initially we don't have any connection to our folders. In order to establish a connection, you want to go to your Insert tab and click on Add Folder. So I extracted my folder in this GIS data folder. So I want to establish the connection to my GIS data folder. All right, we see our GIS data folder in our connected folders. And when we open each, we can see our shapefiles. Now we can view our shapefiles if we just drag them and drop them in our contents pane. But before we do that, we want to create a connection with our geodatabase. So in order to add these shapefiles to our geodatabase, we have to right click on our geodatabase file and we want to go down to import and select feature classes. This is going to open our geoprocessing pane, and from here we can select our shapefiles. So you want to find your shapefiles through the path you saved them in. You want to do the same thing for the second one. So we can see both of our shapefiles added as input features, and our output geodatabase is going to be our project's name. So we want to go ahead and run. Give it a few seconds and you should see feature class to geodatabase completed message. Now if you close your geoprocessing pane, you can see both your shapefiles under your geodatabase. Now we can go ahead and drag them and drop them in our contents pane. So there's two ways of adding your shapefiles to your contents pane. One of them is dragging. If you don't get that option, if GIS doesn't let you drag items, you can right click in contents pane. You can right click on your map and select add data. Now, this is your alternate way of adding your shapefiles to your contents pane. There you go. But we don't want to do that because we already added our shapefiles here. So if you don't see any contours and streamlines here, it's because there's a conflict between the base map layer that was by default. So we want to change our base map. We want to go to our map ribbon and under base maps, we can experiment with different map layers. For example, if I open imagery, I can see my contour lines. So our next step is to make our lines visible to our desired color and line width. What we want to do is click on the line itself in our contents pane. This should open symbology pane on the right side. So if we go to properties, we see the color that's selected for a line. We can change that. I can, for example, change it to orange, and I can change my line width. Once I select apply, I can see the changes. I can do the same for my streams. Apply, and I can see my streamline here. So this should have helped you all the way through step 71. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and I will make another video to help you. Thank you.